So there are two ways to install an extension. Two ways. The normal method is you go to the top of the browser, you click on these three dots, then over on an extension. This extension, you over on it, then you click on what? Visit Chrome Web Store. This is how to install an extension on the Chrome. Other browsers is different method. So you click on Visit Chrome Web Store, you click on it. Once you click on it, you search for the extension. Once you click on it, you search for the extension here that you want to upload. And search for it. SEO. This is SEO2 extension. So these are several SEO extensions. Whichever one you want, you install. Let me try this. So if this is what you want to install, you click on what? Add to Chrome. Then you click on what? Add extension. That's downloaded. So once you're done downloading it, you might not find it here. You might not find it here. So what do you do? Okay, this is it, but it will leave. To leave. So what do you do if you want it here? You click on what? This puzzle icon. Then you search for it here. This is it. Then you pin it. It's here. The other method, which I think is the easiest, is that let's say you want to install this extension, SEO Minion. You just go to Google, then you type SEO Minion extension. This is the link. Just click on it. You automatically go to the Chrome Web Store. Then you install. Then you click on Add to Chrome. This is the easiest. So whatever extension you want to install, if somebody give it to you, you just go to the browser itself. Chrome, you go to the browser, then you put the name of the extension, then you type extension at the back. This is it. That's installed. If you need it, you click on this puzzle icon because it might not be here. Might not be here. You click on this puzzle icon. You find it somewhere here. But this is it, but it will not pin. You find it somewhere here. This is it. Then you pin it. Then it will be here. This is how to install an extension.